Hi, my name is Somto Onubogu.
Hi, my name is Esther Rio.
I'm the creative director at Shocks Media. I also am an animator, motion graphic designer, and VFX specialist.
And I'm the lead animator and illustrator at Shocks Media.
I've been in the creative space for about 9 to 10 years now. And in that time, I've gained a lot of experience working on different projects as an animator, illustrator, designer, the creative director, or even a VFX specialist. I've worked with numerous brands like Nestle Golden Mon, Afex, Pompey, Mindyard 204, Darrison Richard Film, and done 2D animation, animated montages, and a whole lot of different projects in animation.
I started this animation journey about 3 years ago, and through this process, I have been able to learn a lot and also work on various projects at Shocks Media as a lead animator, on your short films and some other projects.
Why am I passionate about 2D animation? Well, that dates back to my secondary school days. The very first time I was introduced to a flip book. I saw this The Simpsons storybook, and it had at the bottom part a flip book kind of something. So like, to see the story, you need to flip it, and just seeing that got me interested, and I began to mimic that in every one of my notebooks in secondary school. And that desire, that passion stayed with me all through the time I was in university, to even when I came out and started working in motion graphics and animation properly. So yeah, the passion behind 2D animation is centered around the fact that it's a very fun, exciting, sometimes unpredictable and frustrating medium for storytelling.
In this course, we're going to be guiding you through the basics of 2D animation, starting from the fundamental principles like squash and stretch, timing and spacing, forms, and so on.
So the main tools that we'll be using in this course are a laptop, graphic tablet, pen and paper, or a sketchpad. We'll be using software like Krita, Adobe Photoshop, and After Effects.
We'll be animating a character walk, run, and hop cycle using 2 different techniques. I'll be using traditional animation in Krita,
and I will be showing a different approach using Adobe After Effects.
We'll show you how to design your character starting from a sketch on paper and developing a character chart, which would be used for the final animation.
Trust me, this is going to be a whole lot of fun. We can't wait to see you in class. Animate Now is in session.